If you want to learn how to fill in color in Photopea quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you two simple ways to do it, using the Paint Bucket tool for direct clicking and using keyboard shortcuts for a faster professional workflow. This is perfect for filling shapes, objects, text areas, or any selected region with a solid color. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photopea tutorials just like this. Let's start with the easiest method, the Paint Bucket tool. First, open your project in Photopea and look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Before you fill anything, you need to choose your color. At the bottom of the left toolbar, you'll see the Foreground color square, which is the top colored square. Click it, and a color picker window will open. From here, select the color you want to use, and then click OK to confirm it. Now that your color is ready, go back to the left toolbar and select the Paint Bucket tool. The shortcut for this tool is G. If you click and you see the Gradient tool instead, don't worry, that just means the Paint Bucket tool is hidden underneath it. Right-click on the Gradient tool icon and a small menu will appear. From that menu, choose the Paint Bucket tool. Once the Paint Bucket tool is active, simply click inside the area you want to fill. This works best when the area is enclosed, such as inside a shape, a circle, a text outline, or a closed region on your canvas. Photopea will instantly flood that area with the selected foreground color. It's a fast and simple way to add solid color without manually painting everything by hand. Now let's move on to the second method, which is the shortcut method. This is especially useful if you already have a selection active, shown by the marching ants around your object or area. It's also great if you want to work faster without constantly switching tools. If you want to fill with your foreground color, use Alt plus Backspace on Windows or Option plus Delete on Mac. This will instantly fill your active selection or layer with the color you currently have selected as your foreground color. If instead you want to fill with your background color, use Control plus Backspace on Windows or Command plus Delete on Mac. This uses the background color instead of the foreground color, which can be really helpful when you're working with different design elements and want to switch between colors quickly. A good tip is to always make sure the right layer is selected before you fill anything. If you're working on a specific part of your design, double-check that your selection is active and that your foreground or background color is set correctly. That way you avoid filling the wrong part of your image. So to recap, if you want a visual and easy method, use the Paint Bucket tool and click inside the area you want to color. If you want a faster workflow, use the keyboard shortcuts to fill with either the foreground or background color. Both methods are useful, and once you get comfortable with them, filling color in Photopea becomes very quick and efficient. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.